Patience. My daughter was a beautiful soul. Patience used to help her schoolmates who were going through abusive situations at home. As she was blossoming, sadly for us, one day my daughter, together with her 3 friends, they went out. And as they went out, they went in the car on the M1. They ran out of petrol.
Sadly, a Royal Mail lorry hit the car, killing 3 of the 4 people inside.
Patience died instantly in that car accident. Only one girl survived. For the whole day, we were looking for Patience, and we were calling all her friends. And as a mother, I cannot explain to you, but I just was feeling something. Sadly, by 12 midnight, I knew something was wrong, but I didn't know what. And the police knocked on my door, and they told me that my daughter had died in a car accident. I argued with the policeman. I said, you see, I'm a woman of God. Just take me to where my daughter is. I'm going to pray for her, and I'll bring her back home, and we'll take care of her. And the police said, no, you can't, Mrs. Jackson, because your daughter is in a mortuary. For 3 weeks, I could not sleep. I could not do nothing. If it wasn't for the family of New Wine Church, I don't know what could have happened to me. New Wine Church, New Wine family covered the whole shame, because as a parent, you don't have a statue of money in your wardrobe for when your daughter gets killed on the road or by knife or whatever. The great news I share here is that my daughter, all my children, gave their lives to Christ. Patience gave her heart to Christ, and she was baptized. And I know that she is with the Lord, and I know that I will see her again.
Even in her pain, Fike found the strength to deliver a special message to the young people at her daughter's funeral.
So it was that which I ministered to the young people. And I told them that, look, death has no power over us. These tears are not tears that I am ignorant where my baby is. I know she is with the Lord, she's resting. But I told these young people that when we die, there's 2 places to go. I know where Patience is. When that moment comes, where will they go? I feel my experience here at New Wine Church, not only have I been discovered, but I have been developed. Now as I travel the world, I know whose daughter I am. I am a child of God, but I'm also a daughter of New Wine Church.
For most, this would be an unthinkable situation for a mother to be in, but Fike Jackson found a way for her daughter's life to impact the lives of others. If this story encouraged you, make sure that you like, share it on your social media, and subscribe to our channel. You can also download a copy of the Sounds of New Wine MP3, God of the Impossible, which is sure to uplift you. And to hear the full story, simply visit newwine.co.uk, resources, podcast, or video.